Hi guys, so in today's video, my client, she's coming back for her 1 month touch up. This is her frontal after 1 month. So yeah, looking pretty good, but we're going to get started with the removal process. In that bottle, it's only C22. My bottle broke, so I had to put the C22 in that spray bottle. But if you don't know what C22 is, it's a lace solvent. I can add a picture right here. But yeah guys, so I sprayed my client hairline with the C22. Now I'm just lifting it up slowly. I didn't want to speed this part up because I want you guys to see how I'm taking my time. I'm not in a rush. If it doesn't slide off, then you spray the area again. So yeah, that one slid off pretty easily, so I peeled it back. Now it's time to take off the cap. I'm going to do the same process. Just spray the C22 to your client's skin and just work the cap back. If you see the hair pulling at the scalp, do not force it. Just spray more C22. This is important because you don't want your client to lose any hair. Okay, so now that the cap is up, you're going to want to cut the old cap off because we're going to give her a new cap. That feeling when you can finally get to your scalp? Yes, sis. Okay, so now all I'm doing is taking 91% alcohol. I would prefer to have 99%, but this is all I had at the time. And I put it on a cotton ball just to remove any excess glue that she has on her hairline. So yeah. If your client has any stubborn glue, you can take your comb. I would say be careful doing this part though. You don't want to comb out any hairs. You just want to get the glue. So the glue should just slide right out. Okay, so I don't have like a fancy shampoo station yet. So this is how I have to wash my clients for the time being. It works for me. So yeah. So yeah, basically what I'm doing is just wetting the hair, getting all the hair wet, ready for a shampoo. I didn't show the whole shampoo because, you guys should know how to shampoo hair, but I want to say that make sure you do get your client's hairline. I didn't show it in this clip, but you do want to wash your client's actual hairline because you need to wash the C22 solvent off their skin. So yeah, I didn't show that part, but yeah, just make sure you wash the client's hairline. Okay, so now I'm taking that 91% alcohol and I'm putting it on a towel this time. Now that you have shampooed the hair, whatever particles that's left of the adhesive is going to come off better now. So yeah, the towel is just going to help like rub it off easier and faster. So if you see any white product buildup in her braids, that's just got to be glue gel. You can shampoo the hair as much as you want, but until you take the braids out, you'll still have product buildup, so don't mind that. Okay, so here I'm just showing you how I styled the hair. I basically just took like a handful size of that leave-in conditioner by Garnier. That stuff is life. But yeah, just rake that through the client's hair. Use your dimming brush and some mousse and your curls will be popping. I didn't record how I did the ball cap method and how I applied the frontal back down because I wanted that to be a separate video. But yeah, at the end, I added a clip of her first install. So yeah, if you guys like today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.